Hey there, I'm Eli with Upland Software. So when did you know that supply chains hit the mainstream? Aside from walking around and seeing empty store shelves, for me it happened when I saw a TED Talk about what toilet paper can teach us about supply chain. Of all things, toilet paper. Now, if you work in supply chain, the mainstream effect is nothing new. This is a new reality for manufacturers. Supply chains are mainstream. But customer fulfillment continues to be, a bit of an issue. So what's the solution? Well, there's no easy solution, but one thing you might consider doing is go back and look at your internal business processes to start from the inside and out. Because there's a good chance that along the way, across your whole supply chain, that certain parts of your internal business processes maybe aren't set up in the way that your supply chain or your business runs today. You probably have more partners, more suppliers, a lot more pieces that need to be connected in a way to close the gap for any potential customer fulfillment issues you might have. Now, the one thing you shouldn't do is rush to solve any potential problems you have with individual technology pieces, because supply chain management is not as siloed today as it once was. So anything that you have from a technology perspective kind of needs to work together within your whole ecosystem. And this is something that Gartner recently covered in a report called Understand the Need for Supply Chain Execution and Manufacturing Operations Management Convergence. There's a part in the report that says, attack the business problem by focusing on end-to-end customer fulfillment issues, not individual technology pieces. In other words, manufacturing and plant operations leaders need to work with global and regional stakeholders, internally and externally, to figure out what to do for everyone's best business, operational, and financial performance. Now, if this is something that you're interested in doing, but you're not quite sure where to start, click the link to get complimentary access to Gartner's report. In it, you'll find recommendations on how to increase collaboration and coordination across supply chain execution and manufacturing operations management, so you can improve the business and supply chain performance of your organization. Again, I'm Eli from Upland Software. Thanks for watching this video.